disposable glasses, cap, not the cold drink bottle, but its cap, a broken toy, and I don't know what this is. But every single thing here, we probably used only once or twice. But here they are, about to get upcycled into products which are going to last for probably 50 years. We are here at a scrapyard in Ghaziabad, and we are going to talk to a company, its founder, Shina Eco Unified India Private Limited, to find out how the startup is converting our plastic waste into things which are going to last for probably 50 years.
Thank you so much for giving us the platform. So we have been into this plastic recycling industry from 2.5 years. Till now we have used 290 tons, that means 290,000 kg of plastic, and we have converted into the tiles.
Here we have a unit which recycles plastic into tiles.
So this is our collection point. We have a number of small vendors who collect from the RW waste, from local societies, from municipal corporation, and from where we source our raw material from them, and we segregate it according to polymer and the color wise. So the next step is the grinding part. So this is our grinding section. So from where we cut the big and volume plastic into the small pieces like this. See, we make paver tiles now. We have started making the floor tiles for the exteriors. So from here we wash the waste plastic and we clean it. Then we dry it. This is a dry plastic. So after all cleaning and the drying, we'll do a mixing part.
So for example, if I have a plastic chair and I recycle it, and then probably I don't use it anymore, and then I sell it to the scrapyard and it reaches where we are standing, maybe one of these plastic chairs or any one of these plastic products, and you are going to upcycle it and make it into a tile.
Yes.
That's exactly. How long is this tile going to last?
See, if there is only a footfall, it depends on the usage of my product, basically the tiles. If you have a vehicle movement over there, then it will last around 5 to 10 years. It depends on the usage. And if there is only a footfall, like if you make a walkway or if you lay down tiles in the garden area for just for walking, minimum 50 years.
Minimum 50 years. So where my single plastic product was probably I just used it once and threw it in a few months of time or in a few years of time, you can make it into something which can last for about 50 years on an average.
And after 50 years, it can also be recycled for at least 4 times. So people are skeptical of using our tile. They said ki, we are investing 1 crore of money in building our house, but why don't we use the waste material? Why we use the recycled material tiles? Why can't we go for the Italian marble or any other big brand tiles? So there is a big challenge for us to first, we have to create a market. There is no product like this in existence. So this is where we add our technology. We add some fillers to the plastic thing to increase the tensile strength of the plastic, to increase the flammability, to make it anti-static and make it heat resistant and everything. And then we put it into this extruder machine. From there, this machine makes the granules. So this is our final raw material, the plastic granules. Then we'll mold it into the tiles. Lot of municipal corporation approached us to buy our tiles, but their major concern is you have to take raw material from us. They want to give whole lot of municipal waste to us. And if we talk about an MSW municipal solid waste, there is only 5% of plastic in it, and 10% of is useful for us.
When it comes to recycling, we have a lot of plastic to use as raw material. We also have the technology to convert that plastic into things which are going to last us longer than the original plastic product. But the main problem is segregation. If we segregate our waste, we can make it more cost effective and to create a market where all the final product can actually be sold. This is another chapter in Waste Warriors, and you are watching timesofindia.com.